What would you like to do if money were no object? What makes you itch? What sort of a situation would you like? Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable one.
Alright, so what's up? Today we got something exciting. You guys already saw it. Isaac.
Got Mishimoto 19-roll oil cooler to help protect the oil temps from going up and protecting your engine. What's going on with his car though? No, not the DE.
Oh yeah. So this comes with the bottom bracket. You just mount it on there with some hardware, and you just make two holes right here. They're already there, so you just kind of stick something in there, so it can start threading in, and then it's just gonna sit like there. It's gonna sit like that. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna drain the oil, just so that when we put on the sandwich plate and everything else, I'm already overdue, so I might as well just do all the oil at once anyways. So we're just gonna drain it out. Oh fuck, well, it's magnetic, so it's stuck on there now. Pass me the claw, the yellow one. Yeah. Oh, this shit.
I could tell when it fixed it. No, she's still clean.
I was overdue. I think I needed to do it since the last time I went to LA.
When was the last time we did it?
A while ago.
I think mine should black too.
When was the last time we did yours? Well, I mean, your drivers everywhere.
Last time we did it was like 2 months ago.
No, not too much.
Yeah, we did it on that video, bro.
For the spark plug, huh?
Yeah, we did it that same day, no?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, because you ended up doing it on him.
That shit black, bro.
You drive your car everywhere, though. I don't. I only drive my car in town. No, you fucking.
Oh, there's hella oil in there, G.
5 hours later.
I'm gonna get rid of all this shit when I get my new Raider support. I'm gonna get rid of all this. I don't even think I'm gonna keep the horns. All this shit.
Fuck the horn.
Go. So this is a sandwich plate. The O-ring goes to the back, and it kind of goes on there. You might want to tap these. I covered them. If you don't have your thermostat and for your oil pressure and oil temperature, you should just cover them with some 1/8 taps. And then these are 27. You want to leave these loose so that you can adjust them and move around. And the actual thing that goes on here, like that, is a 27 too. So everything just goes bolted on with a 27. I don't know why people waste extra money on the gold one. It's the same thing, just gold. But the gold is more expensive.
Thermostat.
So you get two lines. Obviously the bigger one would be furthest away from the cooler, so since this one's the longest one, we're gonna put this one the furthest away. And it's just so easy, it just screws on there. No big deal. That's about it. This other part goes to the sandwich plate.
Quality packaging.
5 hours later.
And this is the short one, and it just goes the same way. Just grab it the same thing. No big deal. I didn't think about that.
Nah,
It's gonna come out.
I'm gonna take
take
this
it off.
one. I'll put it behind it.
Gonna make me take it off again, is it?
Come on, man. Like, how hard is it? This is tight.
Fuck that shit. I meant to take it off anyway.
What's that shit for you?
Thermostat, just to tell you what temperature it is.
Can't you take more oil with the oil cooler?
What's up?
Can't you like hold more oil with the oil cooler?
Yeah, it's 1 quart more. Quart extra. I know all the DE owners gotta love that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if I did it right, but I did it. I did something. I think it's fine. I think it'll hold oil.
Oh yeah, we're talking about oil at Walmart. It's stupid cheap, so you guys should go buy it there. Rather than O'Reilly's.
Bro, look at that.
What is it?
What are we looking at?
Oh, who needs
They're
fucking
gonna use horsepower, bro.
cars, bro?
Sí, señor. Ya soy de rancha.
I'm gonna play that song over it.
Look, compare the guy in the front compared to the one in the back. You
This
saw
was
it?
black, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
What's your hurry?
low battery.
Oh yeah, let me look at the other bag. You should've said something.
What's your hurry?
Okay, so some guy came right here at the gate. He's asking us for help. Under the SUC.
That fucker went in and did, bro. He was drunk. Like drunk.
¿Cómo te dijo?
He's like, he came up to me, he's like, la cagué, bro. But like, imagine that, bro, like drunk.
Fred.
Never drinking, sir.
5 de mayo.
Yeah, sure. Oh yeah.
I forgot. I didn't realize it.
I recommend you guys zip tie it, just so it's less stuff moving around and it's more together. So I'm just gonna zip tie it in a few spots just to make sure it doesn't move around. So this is the oil I use. I just use it 5W30. Extended performance, I don't know. My car has like 137 miles, 1,000 miles, so I just use this oil. It's been working pretty good. I've been using only this one. And I have an extra quart in case we need more for the oil cooler. We have more. Because it does take about a quart more, and this one usually takes 5 quarts without. I'm nervous.
Ooh.
We're about to check for no leaks.
I'm stand over here.
Yeah, I just wanted to flow into the oil filter so I can check it now. Because it's going to be low now.
Stupid low.
Yeah, see? It's all the way at the bottom. So you're going to need oil after, so there's no big deal. It's just an extra quart. No biggie.
Tápese el hocico, güey. Fucking guy.
¿Y tu boca todavía está bien sucia?
I know, güey.
What is he doing, man? Oh, yeah!
Ah, sobre todo. Wow, you're sweating, homie. This camera's hot. What the fuck?
everything seems to be running right. Pressure seems to be good. Not overheating or anything. So it seems to be doing good so far. Haven't been really driving it that hard. We'll take a few pulls right now and see how it's doing.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Tell us what you want to see next.